Hi all, so today I will show you how you can add JavaScript web resource in CRM. So basically we will add onload of form, the JavaScript. Okay, so when you open the form and when you refresh that time it will be trigger. So first of all we will create a solution. Let's give us some name and we will select our publisher, that is default publisher, and we will create it. Every time we have to create a solution whenever we are working on any component, so that is a good practice. So here first of all we will add the existing case entity because we are working on case entity, so that's how we will add it. We will go to forms and we will here add main form. Click on add. After this we also need to add web resource as well. So basically we have added a case entity and the form only. So on that form load we will do our okay. So now we will add this function, that is a simple function JavaScript where I am written alert function hello world with the function name say hello world. Now I just copy the full path of this file so that I will upload this into the CRM. Now let's go to the application over here and let's add the web resource. Here we will click on new and from more option we can see web resource, and here we will choose our file. That's why we have copied the full path. I will paste over here, just remove the alert.js from here and the first file, which is the one we have created just now, and I will give the same name as alert. I will paste it over here and click on save. Now that web resource will be added into our system. So that's how you add the web resource. And we will go to our form, we will open that main form, open a new tab. Okay, now here we can see events tab. When we click on that, here we can see onload. So basically onload of the form, we will trigger our web resource file, that is JavaScript file. Here you can see onload and here we will add that web resource. So for adding web resource on entity level, first we have to add the library, that is alert.js, which is already present, which we have uploaded. Click on add. Then we have to provide the function name, and here we will select first alert.js and here we will provide the function name. The function name which is written in the JavaScript file, that is say hello world. I will copy it from here and paste over here, and no need to give execution because we are not passing any execution context. So click on done and then we will click on save and publish. Okay, after save and publish we have to just go to the application, and here we have to do hard refresh, control shift R, and after hard refresh it should be give a pop-up that is alert. Okay, so that's how we can trigger our JavaScript file, and you can see hello world as well here, which we have written in our file in code, I can say. So whenever you click on case and whenever you open the record, that time it will load the form, and that time it will trigger our web resource, and whatever we have written in code, that is will be triggering. So I can show you how we can debug that one as well. You just press Ctrl Shift I, it will open this developer option, and from here you can search for your file, that is alert.js, and here you can see the first option, and you can place any breakpoint over here, and you can trigger your web resource again. So for triggering, our load will happen, so that time it will trigger, so that time it will trigger and it will hit the breakpoint and it will come over here. So that's how you can debug as well. So that's all for the day. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.